Now here in Baguio City, this is the opposite view of the hotel where we check in. Coffee Project. We are here in Baguio City. So beautiful, their Christmas lighting. We are here in Baguio City. No, na-digest.
Oh, dandan na.
Gibinan ka, ama. Taking view, nighttime view. Nighttime view here in Baguio City. We are here at Mines View Park Hotel. Noah, what are you taking there? Are you shooting there? There's my grandson. He's taking his own video. He's taking his own video. This is me taking photos too. It's night time. We are here at Baguio City. It's night time. We are here at Mines View Park Hotel. We're climbing up. Just finished our dinner at the Bulalo restaurant. Just down there. Just down here. We had lunch. I cannot see. Oo. Ha? There's a restaurant where we ate. Where we had dinner. Okay. Oh, sige. Okay, wait a minute. Thanks for watching. Bye.